And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.
In this video, we are going to learn about Kick It, Bart Simpson and a happy feet dance. Let's start with the Kick It. Lift your right foot up on the back side, kick forward while jumping left foot slightly. Replace your right foot with the left one and bring that left foot to the back side. Kick forward with your left foot while jumping slightly with your right. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use your hands now. Make a fist on both hands, lift your left hand up and slide your right hand back slightly. Punch forward with your left hand while sliding your right hand to the front. Replace your hands in every other count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now incorporate your hand and feet together. Lift your right leg and left hand, sliding your right hand behind. This is your starting position. Kick and punch forward at the same time. Replace your leg and hand simultaneously in every second count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now let's learn about Bart Simpson. Step to the right, twist your left foot, also face to the side where you are turning. Now step your left foot to the right while twisting your right foot to the front, face forward. Now step to the left side while twisting your right foot facing left side. And step right foot to the left, twisting left foot to the front, facing forward. Now repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use your arms. When you go right, lift your arms up, right hand bend and left hand straight. When you face forward, lift up both of your hands. Do the same when you step to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do the happy feet. Make an opposite V shape with your feet but keep them slightly apart, and this is your starting position. Twist your right foot using the heel and at the same time twist your left foot using the forefoot to the right side. Come back to the center point in the same position and twist left foot using the heel. At the same time, right foot using the forefoot to the left side. In and just repeat. 1, 2, 3. For your arms, you can swing them on the same side as your leg movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's now combine all the steps we have learned with the count. Kick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bart Simpson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's do them with the music.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted.
I hope you have learned something from this video. If you'd like to know more steps of hip-hop dance as a beginner, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing. Until next time.